Hey everyone, hope you're all having an awesome day. Welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad evap canister, also known as a vapor canister or charcoal canister. The evap canister is a crucial part of your vehicle's evaporative emissions control system. Its job, to store gasoline vapors from the fuel tank and transfer them to the engine, where they're burned when the ECM opens the purge valve. This helps reduce emissions and boosts your miles per gallon. Now, the evap canister is typically located underneath the vehicle near the fuel tank, but in some cases, you might find it in the engine compartment, under the master cylinder, or near the coolant reservoir. Let's get into the common symptoms of a bad evap canister and how to identify them. The first sign of a failing evap canister is a lit check engine light. While there isn't a direct diagnostic trouble code DTC for a bad evap canister, certain codes can point you in the right direction. These codes often indicate issues like cracks or clogs in the canister. Second symptom is gas pump keeps shutting off. Ever tried refueling and the pump keeps clicking off after just $1 or $2? This could be caused by a clogged evap canister. A clog increases fuel vapor pressure, tricking the system into thinking your tank is full, causing the pump to shut off repeatedly. A failed emissions test is another common symptom. If your evap system has a leak or clog, the fuel tank pressure sensor will detect the issue and alert the ECM. This triggers the check engine light, which is an automatic fail for most emissions tests. Last symptom is fuel smell. Noticing a strong gasoline odor? A cracked or damaged evap canister might be to blame. When this happens, trapped gasoline vapors escape into the air, leading to that noticeable fuel smell around your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.